Going back to school sucks, but what makes things easier is having cute, useful, and cool things to keep your emotions in check. First things first is this really cool word lock. I like it a lot because you don't have to remember any confusing combinations and you can change it whenever you want. Second is this mini school supply kit. It really has anything that you might need. Say for example, you need to staple things but you don't want to get up and go to your teacher's desk, you can just use it from here. There's also little mini scissors, and it's very easy to take out and put back in. Next I have my oat kit. Basically I have anything that I might need. It's just really an emergency kit that everyone should have. For example, in mine I have a $10 bill, some Tylenol, and wet wipes. It really comes in handy. Next we have this frosted pencil case. It has a little eraser compartment and you can easily fit highlighters, pencils, and any writing utensils that you need. I have these fine tip markers. There's so many colors to choose from and they take your note-taking to the next level.
I hope you can hear that.